most coaches post to the 3% who are ready to buy right now, and then they say LinkedIn doesn't work. Here's how to win the other 90% so you can build a reliable pipeline from LinkedIn into your program or your offer. So think about it as you have got, or you're targeting a market. This is your niche, and there's 100% of your niche market share. All you really want is a percentage of that market at any given time. But the problem is that only 3% are ready to buy right now, which is what most people, when they post on LinkedIn, they post to that 3%, and they're not thinking about the 97% who are thinking about it maybe in the next 3 months or 9 months. So let's talk about the 5 different types of buyers that there are in any given market. First of all, you've got buyer type 1. They're the people who are ready to buy right now. They're the people who are, yes, I'm ready. I've thought about it. This is what I want. Just give me the details and I'll sign. Which are the best buyers by far. But then you've got a buyer number 2. These take just a little bit more work, but they are the 7% of people who are open and looking. So these people are open to it. They just need a little bit more detail. They just need a little bit more information, and you can probably get them over the line. And then you've got buyer 3, which is a much bigger percentage of the market. And buyer 3 is 30% who are considering in 3 to 9 months. So they are people who are thinking about it. They're thinking about, is this for me? Do I need to do this? And they have got other projects going on, but they might be ready in 3 to 9 months. Then we come across another big chunk of the market, and these are people, this 30% are people who are not aware yet. So these people who, they have got the problem that you can solve, but they're not in a position, or they're not aware that you are the person that can solve it for them. And so therefore you need to write posts to give them more value and to share information that is going to raise their awareness to, like, oh, you're now making them aware that they've got that problem. And then the last section, buyer type number 5, is they are another 30% who are really not a great fit. Perfectly normal. There's a lot of people out there who are maybe they're not quite right for your program. Maybe they think they want something else, or maybe they just it's not going to work in relation to what you do. That's just the way the market is. So we really want to be targeting people who are majority not aware, and then considering in the next 3 to 9 months. Inevitably, you will pick up these people, and that's okay, because all that means is that that's just a conversation to make that decision. So if you think about it now, you've got 5 different buyer types, which means each one of these 5 buyer types, they need different types of content for the different stages that they're at. So I'll cover all of that in another video, but right now we just need to think about how you can attract and how you can build a pipeline of more than the 3% that you're targeting right now. So here's what I would do, and here are the 3 leaks that people make in their LinkedIn. So the LinkedIn leaks that they make is typically on their profile, they don't have a very clear call to action. If the call to action is just simply to book a call, then again, you're only targeting the 3%. So make sure that you've got a lead magnet on your profile and put it in your featured section. So make sure with that lead magnet that you are capturing those emails, because if you're not capturing emails, then all you're doing is you're relying on the LinkedIn algorithm with your posts for people to see it. And of course, with the algorithm changing, you want to get those people that are interested in, so that you can build a deeper relationship in your email path. So again, once you've got them into your email, two things will happen. One is you're building an asset, but you're building an email list. And the second thing is that you're able to go deeper with your emails, and you're able to nurture them by adding more value, maybe doing videos. You can share videos in your content. This kind of thing is going to allow them to build a bigger and a deeper relationship with you. So fix these areas on your LinkedIn profile, and then fix them on your LinkedIn posts, and that's going to fill up very quickly a number of the leaks that you've probably got in your marketing. But very simple to do, very easy to do. And I would say that if you fix those leaks, and then if I can look at your profile and I see that there are still leaks on your profile, and if I can't see where the call to action is in the first 3 seconds, then again, those leaks are not fixed. So the prospect needs to be able to see those leaks in the next 3 seconds, because that's the attention span that people have. All right, okay, so the simple fix to do this: quick win from your lead magnet. Make sure that you've got the lead magnet set up, attached to your profile. You're using your post to drive content to your profile. Second thing is, make sure you put a call to action in your posts. People don't like putting links in posts, but it's good to do. Make sure you put calls to action in your post. And then the last one is also make sure in your about section that you put a call to action there too. Again, another little tip to send people to consume more content from you. So that's, I've got a link below, which is a free audit. So if you grab the link below, it's a 3-hole LinkedIn audit, and it will also show you in there exactly what you can measure. So you can start to measure your activity on LinkedIn to see how to build traction and to see whether the amount of time you spend on LinkedIn is worth it. I hope you found this helpful. If you want me to do more videos like this, I'm going to be doing it. This is day 1 of a 30-day challenge I'm doing. So I'll be doing more of these videos over the next 30 days. And let me know if there's anything else you want regarding LinkedIn pipeline automation. Let me know, and I'll add it to my list.